Hi, I am Marco.
And I am Giovanni. For the past year, we have been working on FABtotum, a new desktop personal fabrication device.
FABtotum is capable of 3D scanning, cutting or milling different materials, as well as 3D printing.
You can work with 4 axes in subtractive mode, 3D print PLA plastic in additive mode, and use the built-in 3D scanner or touch probe for 3D digital acquisition. You may pick a solid object or make something new with clay. Scan it and use the resulting digital model to make a copy or further adjustment in your favorite modeling software. Or share it with your friends, so they can print it in their materials of choice. FABtotum allows a seamless interaction between the physical and the digital world. You may self-assemble complex objects fabricating parts in various materials. It's also highly customizable and flexible, allowing more tools and functions to be unlocked. FABtotum hardware schematics and software source code will be open for everyone to play with. We designed FABtotum to be something that you can have in your room or in your office. We reached a very high printing volume and printing speed in a 36 cm cube. FABtotum will empower you with new tools, but before that we need you to help us making this possible. The objective of this campaign is to fund the final testing and production, allowing us to gather resources and tools. As you can see, we already completed an early prototype. We are now close to finalize the consumer version, which will be even better with your support.
There is so much more to personal fabrication than 3D printing.
Make a pledge and help us push the boundaries of personal fabrication.